test drive the 2017 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, auxiliary audio input, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.